To create this design, I'm going to add a cube. Scale this cube along the x-axis, then scale it along the y-axis. Then apply the scale, go to the edit mode, select this bottom face and Ctrl B add bevel on it. Select this corner edges and Ctrl B add bevel on them. Select this words and merge at last. Add one loop cut here. Select this edge and move it along the x-axis. Then select this edge loop and Ctrl B add bevel on it. Add a 2 segment bevel. And here I want a curve form. Adjust the bevel width. Then add one loop cut here. Add a bevel on this edge loop. Then use the knife tool. Select this word. Press C and then A. And create cut in this angle. Select this edge loop and Ctrl X to dissolve them. Select this edge and move it along the z-axis little bit. Then select this face loop. Use the insert operation and make sure you check this edge rail option so you can get a proper insert operation. And then press Alt S to scale it along the normal in this way and turn on the offset even. Then select this face and snap 3D cursor to it. Select this faces and then S, Y and give the value 0. Then select this edge and snap 3D cursor to it. Then select this edges and S, X give the value 0. Then select this edges and S, Z scale them along the Z axis. So you can get flat face at here and curve here. Then select this edge loop and Ctrl B add bevel on it. Add one segment bevel and give the proper bevel width. Now you need to adjust the proportions little bit. Select these words and move these words along the z-axis. Then select everything, mesh and symmetrize, take the symmetry. Then select this edge loop and Ctrl B add bevel on them. Add a 2 segment bevel, shift factor should be 1 and give the proper bevel width. Then come here, select these words and merge at the center. Then select these words and merge at the center. And then take the symmetry and then dissolve these edges. Add new loop cut here. Select these words and press J to connect them. Then dissolve this edge. Take the symmetry. Then select these faces and use the insert operation. And use the insert operation one more time and then press Alt S to scale them along the normal. Then add 2 loop cuts here, 2 loop cuts here. Select this edge loop and use the edge slide. Select this edge loop and use the edge slide. Then add 1 loop cut here, 1 loop cut here, 1 loop cut here and 1 loop cut here. Use the knife tool and create cut like this. Then select this edge loop and Ctrl B add bevel on it. Add a center loop cut like this. Select these words and press J to connect them. Select these words, press J to connect them. Create topology here and add loop cuts like this. Then select everything, mesh and symmetrize, take the symmetry along the x-axis and y-axis. And then hit Ctrl 2 to add the subd modifier and shade smooth it. And you will get this kind of design. Here you can see the form and you can see the topology. You can refine this topology as per your requirement and you can add more details on the model. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching. If you like this tutorial then hit that like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Bye bye. See you next video. Take care.